Hello students, how are you? Hope all are fit, fine and healthy. I, Sangeeta Sinha, presenting you a video of SS. In this video, I am going to explain Geography Chapter 12, Understanding the Earth. In this chapter, we have to read the structure of the Earth, about the what is inside the Earth, and about the rocks and minerals we are going to learn in this chapter. You all are aware about the what is outside the Earth, but you are not aware about the what is inside the Earth. In this video we will read about in this chapter we will read about the what is inside the Earth and about the rock and minerals. But before starting the chapter, I would like to explain the hard words. The first word is geology, the science which deals with the study of structure of Earth. Now the second word is geologist. The geologist means the person who study the formation and structure of the interior of the Earth. मीन्स जो स्टडी करते हैं अर्थ के अंदरूनी हिस्से के बारे में, वैसे एक्सपर्ट्स को हम क्या कहते हैं? जियोलॉजिस्ट. नाउ क्रस्ट मीनिंग इज अ हार्ड आउटर कवरिंग ऑफ अर्थ. अर्थ के का ऊपरी हिस्सा जो है उसे क्या कहा जाता है? क्रस्ट. Now mantle meaning is the part of the earth that surrounds the center core. Center core के सराउंड जो पार्ट है that is called mantle. और हम ये भी कह सकते हैं क्रस्ट के नीचे का जो पार्ट है that is called mantle. Magma rocks in a molten state below the surface of the earth. Magma is rocks in a molten state below the surface of the earth. अर्थ के नीचे जो पोर्शन जो मोल्टन वे में रहता है. The next word is core meaning is the innermost part of the earth is called core. Mineralogy. What is mineralogy? The scientific study of minerals. साइंटिफिक स्टडी मिनरल्स के जो होते हैं उनको कहते हैं मिनरोलॉजी. नाउ इग्नियस रॉक्स. व्हाट इज इग्नियस रॉक्स? द रॉक्स फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम सॉलिडिफिकेशन ऑफ मैग्मा. मैग्मा के सॉलिडिफिकेशन से जो रॉक बनता है उसे क्या कहते हैं? इग्नियस रॉक्स. Percolate. Percolate means drain. Now another word is sedimentary rocks. Means the rocks formed from sediment accumulate over long period. जब सेडिमेंट्स अक्यूमुलेट हो जाते हैं, धीरे धीरे जमते जाते हैं एक जगह पर, तो कौन सा रॉक बनता है? सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स. Decomposition means breaking down of matter into a smaller segment या part. Next word is concentric means denoting circles that have the same center. The larger one often completely surrounds the smaller one. मीन्स एक ही सेंटर होता है और उसके चारों बगल कई सर्कल होते हैं, वन नेक्स्ट टू अनदर. इस तरह से जो सर्कल बनते हैं उनको कहते हैं कॉन्सेंट्रिक. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज लावा. मीन्स मैग्मा दैट कम्स अप टू द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ मेनली बाय वॉल्केनो एरप्शन. वॉल्केनो एरप्शन होने के बाद जब लावा अर्थ पर स्प्रेड कर जाता है सरफेस पे, तो उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? लावा. Now children, Here I am going to explain the chapter with the help of flow chart. As we have to read in this chapter, interior of the earth. So just see what is interior of the earth. The earth is divided into three layers, that is crust, mantle and core. In next video I will explain it separately about the crust, about the mantle and about the core. And we also know that crust is also made of various types of rocks, and the rocks are three types: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks is also known as the primary rocks, and it has also two types: intrusive rocks and extrusive rocks. So these things we have to read in next video. I will explain it separately, all the topics. Now let us watch this animated video which is related to your chapter Structure of Earth.
Welcome to Macmillan Education. Structure of the Earth.
Mummy?
Hey Rishi, did you enjoy reading the newspaper? You know Rishi, when I was your age, Nani ji made sure I read the paper every day.
I know, Mummy. Our teacher says that it improves our vocabulary and general knowledge. But some of the articles are really depressing.
Oh, if I were you, I would skip those after reading the headlines.
This seems like a decent idea. I'll do that from here on. Mummy, one article says that there are people who are trapped somewhere below the surface of the earth. Why did they even go there?
If I'm not getting it wrong, Rishi, they were probably mining something.
Yes. This article says they were mining iron ore. Can you really go beneath the ground? What lies beneath the ground, Mummy?
Rishi, the earth is divided into three concentric layers: crust, mantle and core.
Oh, what exactly are crust, mantle and core, Mummy?
The solid outermost layer of the earth, which is composed of rocks and minerals, is known as the crust or the lithosphere. It is an extremely thin layer and its average thickness varies between 8 kilometers to 50 kilometers. This crust is divided into two distinct layers: upper continental crust or sail and lower oceanic crust or seema.
So are you saying the layer seal is the layer that forms continents, while seema is lower than seal and is below the ocean bed?
You are right, Rishi. But seema, which is the lower crust, is a continuous layer of the crust. Sail, the upper continental crust, however, is not continuous and it is mostly found in the continental areas above the lower crust.
Mummy, which is the thicker layer, seal or seema?
Good question, Rishi. Seema is an extremely thin ocean floor. It may range from a few meters to 10 kilometers in thickness, while the thickness of sail is up to 50 kilometers. So, to answer your question, sail or upper continental crust is the thicker one.
Oh, I had a feeling that it was the other way around.
You know the main minerals of seema or silica and magnesium, while sail consists of lighter rocks rich in silica and aluminium. Next comes the mantle or the mesosphere. This is the second layer of the earth. The average thickness of the mantle is 2,900 kilometers. Now this layer is made up of rocks that are far denser than the crust. The temperature of the mantle is extremely high since it contains molten magma which comes to the surface during volcanic eruptions as lava. Mantle is divided into three layers depending on the temperature and pressure, which causes the rocks to be solid or semi-solid. The uppermost mantle of solid rock extends from the crust downwards to a depth of 75 kilometers to 100 kilometers. The middle mantle extends up to 300 kilometers in depth. Due to intense heat, the rocks here are partially molten and therefore in a flow state. The rocks of the lower mantle are solid due to heat and pressure. Iron, magnesium and silicon are the main constituents of the mantle.
Oh,
Would you want to know about the innermost layer called core, Rishi?
sure, Mummy.
This layer is about 3,500 kilometers thick and is mainly made up of heavy metals, especially nickel and iron, and is also known as knife.
Why is it known as knife, Mummy?
The chemical name of iron is ferrum, so Ni from nickel and Fe from ferrum is knife.
Uh-huh.
Let me tell you something interesting. The boundary between the mantle and the core is known as Gutenberg discontinuity. It was named after a German geophysicist, Benno Gutenberg. The temperature of the core ranges between 3000 degrees centigrade to 6000 degrees centigrade.
Oh God, that must be really hot.
Extremely hot indeed. The core is also subjected to extremely high pressure. The core's metallic nature imparts magnetic properties to the earth. The core also comprises of two layers, the inner core, which is solid, and the outer core, which is liquid.
I'll answer the phone. It must be Papa.